Mathematics can be seen as a language. As a matter of fact, it is a language, a precise one at it. Now, one of the more common statements you'd find in mathematics would be equations. It can be a seemingly daunting task to write out an equation on your own, especially when a mathematical problem demands you do just that. But in reality, it's not that hard. Remember, math is just a language, and all you need to do is translate what you know or read into mathematical statements using mathematical notation. Let's see how to do just that. Say we have a simple statement. Alice is 3 years younger than Bob. Notice that you have two parts to the statement that are equal, namely, Alice and 3 years younger than Bob. Is can always be seen as an equality between the two things. But we should be more precise in making statements, namely as to what precisely are equal here. And the answer to that is age. The statement can thus be rewritten as Alice's age is always 3 less than Bob's age. With the equal sign representing is always, we write Alice's age equals 3 less than Bob's age. Now, the statement 3 less than Bob's age is really Bob's age minus 3. So, Alice's age equals Bob's age minus 3. Next, if we use the symbol y for Alice's age and x for Bob's, we finally arrive at y equals to x minus 3. We can summarize the process here in 4 simple steps. Step 1. Identify what elements are involved in the equality. We need to be explicit and precise. Step 2. Rewrite with explicit details. Remember, explicit and precise. In our example, it was a matter of age. Step 3. We need to ascertain how these elements are related, namely how Alice's age is related to Bob's, which is 3 years less than. And finally, step 4. Convert into math notation. Yes, it's basically just a translation from one language into another. It's not that hard at all. Let me invite you to join me to look into more examples in the next videos. Please do subscribe to Intuitive Online to stay tuned.